Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets review video. In this video we have a universal flexible tripod from Fotopro. This is the UFO 2 Pure. This tripod is flexible so you can bend it, you can use it as a selfie stick. It also includes a Bluetooth remote for your phone so it can control it to take pictures from a distance. And the tripod mount on here is also a 1/4 inch, so it's standard. That means it'll fit DSLRs, GoPros, everything like that. All for a price of about $21 on Amazon, so check the link in the description to find that price. Let's go ahead and open it up and check it out. It comes in a nice cardboard box, and I like that because you can recycle it. So real quick while I'm taking this out, just want to thank Fotopro for sending me this tripod to test. Thank you very much. So in the box, looks like we have a little owner's manual. We have the shutter remote for your cell phone. We have a mount that attaches to the top of the tripod for your cell phone. Then we have a little case bag that actually has a Fotopro logo on that. That's really nice. This is nylon. Feels like it would probably be waterproof as well. Take that out. And then we have the UFO 2 Pure tripod right here. So nice touch with this case. Really like that. Looks like it's big enough to not only fit the tripod, but the accessories that were included with it. You might also be able to fit a GoPro in here. So taking a closer look at the tripod here, as you can see, these are completely bendable legs, so you can really kind of twist them all the way around, almost like a pretzel. They stay that way. They don't try to move back at all. And that's perfect. You could wrap this around a tree. You could really kind of get it to fit anything that you want, to have it sit a certain way and hold your camera so that you can get the shot that you need to get. But you can also straighten it out and use it kind of as a selfie stick as well. The legs are on a little joint and they can pivot, so they can either be opened up like that, or they can be closed. Look like they cannot be in between that, but they do kind of lock in place, and that's going to make it nice and secure. I like that. On the top of the base here, we have a nice Fotopro logo with UFO 2 on it. And then we have this little area where you can unscrew it. And what that is a ball joint for the top of the tripod that allows it to be rotated. So if you tighten it up, it locks it in place. And we'll hold it so that the camera doesn't move. And if you loosen it, then you can adjust the camera, kind of change the angle on it. Pretty cool. The top of this is all made out of plastic. Really everything on this besides the legs, which are a rubber material, is all made out of plastic. Feels like a very nice plastic, not too brittle feeling. Going back down to the legs real quick, they do have a nice texture on them. That makes it really good for actually gripping on things such as metal, maybe a handrail on a staircase. And then at the bottom, this is all rubber, so it's going to be a lot of really good grip right there like that. Kind of feels like an eraser, but actually thicker. And then it does have some little dimples on there to provide more grip. There are these nice little red accents on the legs as well. Kind of looks cool. I guess that goes with the whole UFO look. And then at the top here you have a standard 1/4 inch tripod adapter right here. So this is going to be able to attach to just about everything, including GoPros, DSLR cameras such as Canon or Nikon, including even little pocket cameras like my Sony that I use for my videos. It'll all work with that. I measured the legs and they're about 8 inches long, so that's just for reference. Really, that doesn't really matter that much. It depends on what you're doing with this. I think that's good enough to wrap around banisters or tree branches, things like that. I do want to say that I'm really impressed with the material that these legs are made out of. It's kind of a rubber feeling material. In the past I've had 2 other flexible tripods that I use with cell phones and GoPros, and they were either kind of a little felt material that kind of had some grip, or the little balls. Both of them did not last very long. They broke and just kind of came apart. I feel like this is a good material. It's going to last a long time. It's not going to like spread apart and break when you bend it, or just come apart like some of them. So this does feel high quality. So now I'm going to open up with one of the accessories, and this is the adapter so that the tripod can hold your cell phone. It also has red accents as well as like some stainless steel in there. And the cool thing is, this tripod's $21. I mean, getting these adapters are pretty expensive as well. I think they're probably around $10 or $8, so it's really kind of a cost savings there. The first thing I want to show you is how you get your phone in here. So these little buttons on the side right here, you push them in and then slide up the actual adapter, and that's going to open up the area for you to fit your phone in landscape mode. So let me show you what that looks like. I have a phone right here. I'll put it in there, and then you just push it down and it kind of locks in place. As you can see, my phone is staying in one place. It's not coming out of there. So that's how you would put a phone in there. This is a phone that has a case in it. It's still doing a good job of holding it. So very happy with that as well. And as you saw, there's room for an even larger phone. So now that you've seen what it looks like when it's holding a phone and how to get it to actually hold the phone, I want to show you how you connect this to the actual tripod. So there are 2 different ways to do it. The first is going to be in this back little adapter right here, and then the second is on the bottom of the adapter. So we attach it to the back by simply just screwing it on righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. And then as you can see, this will flip up. So if you had your phone in there, it would allow it to point in any direction that way. So now with my phone in there, it would be filming us, and you can kind of turn it if you need to get the right angle, make sure that it's nice and level. So it's very simple. As you can see, it just holds your phone, you kind of align it the way you need it to be, and then the camera is pointing that way, and it's not blocking any of the microphones that are in the bottom or the top right here. Very cool. The second way you can attach it is just going to be on the bottom. You just kind of spin it like that, and then there you go. The phone is in there and it's ready to film. Now let's take a closer look at the shutter remote. So as you can see, it has a nice little wrist strap. Fit your hand in there and then you're not going to lose it. It has an on and off switch, which is always nice. The actual shutter button's on the top, and looks like the battery compartment is on the back as well. Now you connect it to your phone by just turning it on. So it'll show the green light right there. I'm going to go to the Bluetooth menu on my phone, pair new device, and then you see the BT4. That's it right there. It shows up as a keyboard. I'm going to select that, and I'm connected. As you can see, it stopped blinking the light. Now when I open up the camera and I hit the button, it takes a picture. Very cool. I like this because you don't have to have any weird app downloaded. It just works with your phone. It connects through Bluetooth, and you can just open up and use whatever camera app you like. So it's pretty compatible with just about anything. This will also work for video. So as you can see, I have a video pulled up, and all I need to do to get it to play is just hit the button. It'll start it, and then if I hit it again, it pauses and ends the video. Very cool. So now that we've taken a closer look at the UFO 2 Pure tripod, and we've tested out the shutter remote and got it connected to my phone, I'm going to go try to use this in some awkward places for a normal tripod, and we'll see how it performs. So right here I have the tripod connected to an awning pole. As you can see, a very thin pole. Really impressed with how well it was able to kind of bend into the positions that held it in place. And then it's even able to hold my camera in place. I can use it, take a picture, works great. Another really impressive use case for this is it actually is connected to my bike and the handlebar, and it's really secure. And as you can see here, it attaches really nicely to any banisters, even just any pole in general, but it's doing a great job of holding it on this pier right here. The legs really are flexible. They can wrap around completely around that, and it's very secure. As you can see, it shakes a little bit, but it would hold still enough to take a nice picture or even a time lapse if you wanted to. So as you can see, the UFO 2 Pure can actually hold a DSLR with a pretty standard lens on it. It's not about to fall over or anything. It's still pretty sturdy and doing a good job of holding it. And then of course it can fit a GoPro as well. So that was the Fotopro UFO 2 Pure Universal Flexible Tripod. And I have to say overall very, very impressed with this product. And legs seem like they're made out of a material that allows them to be extremely flexible, but also will last a long time and won't break. The tripod is compatible with just about any camera out there, including DSLR, GoPros, and then it includes the adapter for your cell phone, so that's really awesome as well. You get the shutter. This is also compatible with iPhones and Android. So really, for $20, you get a tripod that'll allow you to take pictures anywhere, and it's compatible with just about any device. So I highly recommend it. If you have any questions about the Fotopro UFO 2 Pure tripod, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I'm going to add an Amazon affiliate link to the description below so you can find this exact device on Amazon. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.